This is Project Kutter, an E.C.D custom Defender 90. Kutter is painted in khaki grey with silver accents all round. Kutter sits on 18-inch Hawk designed silver wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a full Line-X roll cage in a silver finish, front bumper with one winch, 4 silver round LED lights on the front of the roll cage, 2 LED running lights in the front bumper, and 2 LED work lights at the rear. Inside it features 2 Puma modular front seats and 4 jump seats in the rear. We have the Nardi classic steering wheel in a navy leather and white hot gauges with dark navy numbers. Each seat is finished in a mineral blue leather with tuxedo weave inserts, all stitched together in blue thread. A real feature in this vehicle is the Teak bed in the rear tub. This pairs superbly with the exterior paint colour and the blue leather interior. Project Kutter is powered by our 6.2 litre V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This D90 features our usual array of modern amenities such as JL audio sound system, CarPlay and access to charging points throughout. The details on this vehicle are superb, and when seen in person, Kutter is absolutely stunning, a true testament to our client's vision for his vehicles.